Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we have a new mod. We have a set of dive planes for the C8 Corvette. So join us today while we install them on this beautiful 2022 C8 Corvette. So in the box we have some bubble wrap, some black rivets. These are optional, you don't have to use these. In fact, I recommend not drilling a hole in your C8 Corvette. And then we have the dive planes. So let's open these bad boys up and see what they look like. So they are painted, and the paint is pretty good, extra flaky. There's some 3M adhesive on the back, and they're pretty easy to install. So I'm going to set this to the side. These rivets here would go into this hole location, which is going to go in this area if you wanted to use them. Again, I do not recommend drilling holes and putting that in, but if you really want to make sure that these don't come off, you certainly can install them that way. Okay, to install these, you're going to first want to remove the T15 bolt that's inside the fender liner on the C8 Corvette. So these are going to look a little different than your standard T15s, but you're just going to want to remove the bolt. The bolt's got more of a flat head on it than these. All right, so you're gonna set your bolt to the side. Holy tamale, that thing is long. And you're gonna remove the backing from your 3M adhesive. There should be 3 pieces of this. Right, so after you remove the backing off the 3M adhesive, you're going to put it in place. And to do that, you're going to take this innermost corner and you're going to put it at the edge of the bezel. You're going to pull this in to the bolt location. You're going to push down. So before you put too much pressure on it, I actually recommend running that bolt in. And then you'll just press down. So here's just a quick before. That's what it looks without it. That's what it looks like with it. Now, to be fair, with the Z51 front lip, it clashes a little bit. It's not too bad, but if you didn't have the lip with the side piece on it, it would probably look a little better. But that's just what this car has. Hey, so cheap, easy, decent looking mod. I'll put the link down in the description if I get the link. I do think these are prototype pieces. However, they came out good. Thanks for watching the video today. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe. I do a lot of how-to guides, both for C8 Corvettes and other things. So thanks for watching today.